This is my cardboard model of the Titanic's boiler room. I added fire inside the boilers to show how the coal-fired boilers work, along with a watertight door like the real ship had below deck. This is the aft section of Boiler Room 6. You're looking through the tunnel inside the coal bunker that goes to the watertight door leading into Boiler Room 5. Now we're looking back at Boiler Room 6, and the watertight door is going to close now.